Hi there, Trish Aaron here, back with another video. Thank you for joining me today. So what we're doing today is a product review. One of the products I talked about in one of our previous videos, the Ember Travel Mug. We're actually going to review it today because somebody was listening to my hints in that last video. It was actually the holiday gift guide video during Vlogmas. We're not going to talk about my Vlogmas attempt, okay? We're not going to talk about it. But in one of those videos, I actually did mention this product that we're going to review today. You surprised me with it for Christmas, and I am excited to tell you what I think about it. Before, I thought it was a nice gift idea, and now I can actually tell you a little bit more about it, my first impressions on it. You'll see the unboxing. Without a whole bunch of rambling, let's just get right into the specs and talk about the products. All right, guys, so here it is. I got the Ember warming travel mug. I am super excited. This was a Christmas gift from my mother. This is the Ember that keeps your beverage warm for up to 3 hours. So you charge it, and what does it say here? So a few degrees better. So you pour your beverage in there, and then you adjust the temperature to whatever is desired, and then you enjoy your warm drink. I'm just getting it. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'll use it. Well, I think I have to charge it up first. So I'll charge it and then give it a go, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, guys, so I have it right here. You will actually see me unboxing it, but this is the Ember Travel Mug. This is the second generation Ember Travel Mug, so it's Ember Travel Mug 2. If you're looking for this specific one, but there will be a link in the description, so you won't even have to Google it. Just go down there and click, and it'll take you right to a couple of locations where you can purchase this or check out more information. This is the size. You can see by my hand that this is the size of it, and so we'll figure out how to charge this thing. So let me tell you what this thing is capable of, okay? Ember Travel Mug is actually a temperature controlled mug. The claim on the website is that it's the world's first temperature control mug. So it actually uses a patented technology to establish the temperature of the beverage in the mug. So it's a precise setting, and it'll keep the beverage at that same setting for up to 3 hours. That's why I was sold. I was like, I want one of these things. I gotta get one of these things because I don't know about you, but I do not like lukewarm coffee, okay? So I either like a hot cup of coffee or an iced coffee, right? I think most people are like that. We either want hot tea or an iced tea. We don't want this in the middle, lukewarm, you know, room temperature beverage. It doesn't taste good. I don't want it. And so I was like, okay, this mug is a warming mug. Not only will it keep my beverage warm, but it'll keep it warm for up to 3 hours. Yeah, that's for me, because I'm one of those kind of people who will walk away and get distracted after making the perfect cup of coffee or the perfect cup of tea. I'll get distracted. I'll get an email. My kids will say something, and then there my cup goes. And when I return back to it, the temperature is all off. But not anymore, because that's the solution that the Ember provides, right? It solves that problem of having your coffee or your beverage cool down too soon before you're able to finish it. Let's talk a little bit more about the color, the size, and what you all are here for. We want to know how much this thing costs, right? So of course it comes with this matte black finish that you see here. The Ember logo is on the front. The capacity of this travel mug is actually 12 ounces, and it has a top that goes to it that's a little shiny. So it comes in two parts here, and the inside is stainless steel, and it's ceramic overlay. There is this logo here where actually you tap it and the LED screen lights up, and you can change it between screens and modes, but we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. It is a leak proof. It is water resistant. Now, the thing to be mindful about is that you should not actually submerge this cold cup into water, and you can't put it in a dishwasher or the microwave. By default, the temperature is at 135 degrees, but it can range from 120 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 145 degrees. So you basically set it to the temperature that works for you. Just like a smart cup. You can actually download the Ember app, pair the app with your phone using the Bluetooth connection, and control the temperature setting using the app on your phone. So you'll see me setting it up. It also has like an auto sleep feature on it. So when you don't actually have to turn the thing off. Like once it recognizes that the liquid is emptied out of here, then it will go into sleep mode. So once you pick it up, turn the mug back on for you. So let me just show you really quickly how you can operate it using the LED screen. So it basically operates by tapping on this Ember logo, right? It's a touch sensitive screen here. One tap will tell you the temperature that it's set to. Right now my cup is empty, so it'll read that it's empty. 2 taps will actually allow you to see the settings, where you can tap the plus sign. There it is. You can tap the plus sign to increase the temperature, or the minus sign to decrease it, to turn it down. And if you tap it 3 times, you will actually see some text scroll across the bottom, and that's just the text that I put on there. Mine says live, love, life, but you can assign it to anything using the app. And then if you tap it 4 times, you'll actually see the battery life. See, mine has a full charge, so you'll see the battery LED like little image at the bottom, and it'll show for a charge. While it's actually on the charger, you'll see it flashing to indicate that it is charging. As you can see on the video, it comes with a coaster that charges it, and it also has a power cable, and then there's a cup that comes in 2 pieces, the lid and the actual mug part. Now this is the travel version, but there is also another version of this mug that I do not have, but I do want to mention it in case the travel mug doesn't really suit your needs, but you're still kind of interested in the idea of having this warming smart technology, right? There's one that looks more like a regular mug with a handle, and it also comes with the same kind of coaster, charger, and you can just sit that on your desk and go from there. But for my needs, the travel mugs seem to be more suitable because I want to make my coffee at home using my espresso machine, and then get in a car and drink my hot beverage, right? Just know that there is another option out there, and I think that option comes in a variety of colors. I think I've seen it in rose gold, gold, black, white, yeah. But this one, the travel mug, the one that we're talking about today, that one comes in black. So let's talk about how we care for this. I think that it is a little bit high maintenance because you can't just plop it into the dishwasher, right? Like when you have to just hand wash it. So I suggest getting a bottle brush to help clean up the insides. And of course you should wash it in between uses with just some warm soapy water. And you definitely, this was mentioned in the pamphlet that comes along with it, is that you want to make sure that the cup is completely dry before placing it on the charger, right? Since it's an electronic, that makes sense. Like you just don't want to plop it on there soaking wet. So let it completely dry and then charge it up. So that's why I would say it's a little bit high maintenance. You have to be sure to care for it properly if you want to get the battery life that you need, and you want it to be long lasting for you. You want it to hold up over time. Treat it with care, right? Handle it with care. If you're wondering, does it actually keep the coffee hot? Does it keep your tea hot? And my answer is yes, it does. You can program it from anywhere between 120 degrees up into 145 degrees. That's the max. The default temperature is 135 degrees. So I just kind of leave mine there. I play with it to see if it'll get hotter. But my preference, like 135 degrees is perfect for me. If I walk away, come back in an hour or two, if my drink is still at 135 degrees, I am a happy mama. Ember does offer a 1-year limited warranty, so I would check out the terms and conditions on their websites to find out specifically what's covered, what's not covered. And I know you talked all about the features and all about why, you know, we may like the idea of such a thing, but let's talk about the price. The Ember Travel Mug, the second generation, comes in at a whopping $180. The regular mug with the handle, that one actually comes in at around a little less. I think it's around $130. And they are expensive cups, right? No doubt about it. But I consider it more of an investment because it solves a problem for me, and it really works. So that leads me right into the next question that I want to answer for you guys is, do I recommend it? And the answer is yes, I really do. I've been using it for a few days now, and I really do like it. I can't tell you how it's going to keep over time, but I actually do recommend it because when I've tested it, it actually did keep my drink hot for, the claim is 3 hours, so I didn't get the full 3 hours, but I got really close to the 3 hours, and that was good enough for me to finish my cup of coffee. So yes, I do think that this is a good idea. Yes, I do think it's an investment. It is pricey, but I think that you also will enjoy it. So it's a good thing to purchase for yourself. If you are a coffee drinker, if you're a tea drinker, if you love a hot beverage in the morning. And then also, it is still a great gift to give. Birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day. And I do still think this would be a great gift for any one of your loved ones.